Begin on an exciting journey as a construction worker in beautiful Croatia. Dive into diverse construction tasks that match your skills and location. Tackle a mix of simple and challenging construction projects. Secure a permanent open ended contract for stability and growth. Earn an impressive 6.5 euros net per hour, rewarding your expertise. Enjoy a robust workload with 230 hours per month. Receive full support with housing, food, and top-notch work gear and tools. Gear up for every season with provided summer and winter equipment. Join a dedicated crew driving excellence in construction across varied and impactful projects. Step into an exhilarating new chapter of your career by applying now. Contact EU Helpers for more details.